Hello, hello. All right, well, this is my project, VT Racing Supercharger, going in this Mazda 6. Just arrived early. Gonna be throwing it in there with oil cooler, ultralight battery, some gauges. Let's see what's inside these boxes. All right, here we go. Let's see what's in here. Nice. This would be install instructions. This is going to be very interesting. Lots of pictures, lots of details. So that's great. Some other documents probably. Where is the good stuff? Oh, there it is. There is the primary assembly. Yes, yes, yes. Hold on. Okay, that is just beautiful. There's where it'll mate up to the motor, taking the place of the intake manifold. The water inlet outlet for the intercooler. Oh, there's the bypass valve with the vacuum spring mechanism, so we never build too much boost. There's the actual assembly. Oh, man. That is beautiful. Look at that. There's the twin screw that goes mounted underneath, so when it's on the car, this is what you'll see from above. So cool. Oh my god. And then over here, I've got the intercooler. I have to say, they did a fantastic job of packing. This was wrapped in bubble wrap. This was in a box that was in a box that was in more bubble wrap. So, well done, VT Racing. This is going to be fun.